Hello, Happy New Year to everyone. And today, in this video, we will be working on the Power Query editor. We will be understanding what exactly is the Power Query editor. So, I have decided to divide this particular topic into three parts because the videos were getting too big and it's hard to understand in the one go. So, I have divided this topic into three videos. So, this is the first part of the three videos. In the first part, we will be dealing with the Power Query GUI and understanding how exactly the Power Query GUI works and how to take the data in the Power Query GUI. So I have split this video in three parts because of the size was getting too big. So in the first part we will be discussing about Power Query and how what is exactly the Power Query is and how it works. In the second part we will be going into the basic operations which can be done with Power Query. And in the third part we will look at a YUM language and how can we write programs with M language. So let's start by comparing the difference between Power Query and DAX. So basically Power Query is used for data transformation and mostly to clean the data and shape the data and to connect it with Power BI. It also has a YUM language which is particularly designed for data transformation tasks. And talking about DAX is mostly used for data manipulation tasks like performing complex calculations on the data. For example, the operations like creating new columns, measures, and defining the relationship between tables. Expressions are written in the DAX formula bar and can be applied to both columns and tables. So we will move to the Power BI and use same dataset which I used for the last video. So let's click on create, and as I already told, there are multiple options in the Power BI to take the data. We will be using Excel. We can also connect it with multiple websites and other options. So I will click on Excel, and here I can also use SharePoint link, but I will upload the data like last video, and I will click on upload file and do the remaining operations quickly. So now I will click on the next. I have my data, and here are the options to select the sheets. If you have multiple sheets in your data, it will show here. So I just have one. I will click on it, and if I click on the create report, it directly creates report. But since I want to edit it in the Power Query, so I will click on transform data because it will redirect to Power Query editor. And here is the editor, which is quite powerful. In the query option, we will find the multiple queries or sheets we have already selected. Here in the canvas, you will find the data set, and here is the formula bar, which is used to write M language. And here are the other options like applied steps. In the applied steps, you can see the changes which you recently done. So in the home option, you can find the options related to editing the data sets like deleting rows and column. In transform, you can change the data set to pivot, unpivot, and also transpose the data set. Add column is basically just stands for adding a column, and there are many other options. If you want to create a report, you can click on create a report, but in the second part we will be working with the basic operations, so I will keep it as it is and then we will move to second part. I hope you have enjoyed the content of this video, and in the next video we'll work on the basic operations with the Power Query editor. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.